JC, the lawn care guy? What? This is weird. I gotta call him.
Hello?
JC, it's Jimmy. Hey, there's a package that just showed up at my house, and it's addressed to you.
Oh, really? What's in it?
Well, it looks like they sent you a bottle of that new AMPED that everybody's been talking about. And then there's a hat in there and some stickers.
Oh, nice. I'll tell you what. You keep them and let me know what you think of that AMPED.
Done.
I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. Huh. That was strange. Ugh. Who drinks this stuff, man?
So obviously the video today is about the AMPED liquid concentrate from Turf Care Supply. So this is a really new product. I've not ever used it before. I don't know of a lot of other people that have used it before. I'm not even sure that it's really available to DIYers, to be honest. But the fact that it's got both humic and iron in it seems like just a score for a product here. Another thing that they're saying here too is that this is a fertilizer biocatalyst, which means that it's designed also to improve the uptake and the performance of fertilizers that you put down in your lawn. So this is something that you put down with your fertilizer applications. Now the instructions on the label indicate application rates of 2 ounces for your initial application per 1,000 square feet. So first time you put it down, 2 ounces per 1,000, and then every time you fertilize, you'll put this down at 1 ounce per 1,000 after you fertilize, and that's going to help those fertilizer products kick into gear and do their thing and make the lawn just pop. So excited to try this. I put down an application of the ProPeat just 2 days ago, so I think this would be a perfect time to give this a try, put it down, and see if I can see any kind of difference in the response from that fertilizer and see what the lawn does. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up and get it on the lawn. Okay, it's on the lawn and it's gonna do its thing now. I'm gonna let it sit and let the grass kind of absorb that iron into the leaf blades, and we'll get a little green pop out of that hopefully, and from there we'll just see how it goes. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, see how things turn out here and how it goes. I do have a couple of sticker packs I want to give away, 2 stickers, I have 2 sets of these. So you get an AMP XC sticker and a Turf Care Supply sticker. Go ahead and leave a comment down below saying that you want a sticker, and I will go ahead and pick from those comments. So if you don't say you want a sticker, you're not going to be entered into that drawing for the sticker. And I'll pick a winner in a couple days, get your address, send them out to you. Again, I will leave information in the description for this product and for Turf Care Supply in general. So that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I think that will be a fun new product to try. I think it's fun to try new things and to see what else is available and what's coming. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, see how things turn out. Lawn's looking great already. Getting ready for fall and lots to come. So again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. That's good.